Hi everyone, it's Saturday again and it's a laundry day for me. So, in today's new weekend laundry motivation, I welcome you to join my laundry routine. And maybe you also have enough of clothes to start a load. So, let's go wash with me today. I promise you a ton of extreme laundry motivation, and that's what I love to share with you. This is Ala from Alalas and I welcome you to my channel. Welcome if you are new here and be sure to subscribe because I am here for you every week sharing this powerful motivation to help you to achieve your everyday homemaker goals. It is nice and sunny here in Finland and my two little cuties spend a lot of time outside playing with sand and mud and enjoying our fresh berries, so I definitely have a lot to deal with for a laundry day. I still love to start my day with a load of laundry and this gives me motivational kick to do something else. And sometimes my husband loves to surprise me with some nice and useful things, so this often inspires me for changes. Stay tuned to see the new cleaning tool I am going to show you later. Meantime, let's go back to my washing. I have started with washing the kids' bedding. I washed the whole set together with the blanket and I set for 60 degrees normal cycle and add white vinegar to boost the detergent and additionally deodorize it. I recently noticed that I use fabric softener very rare, but the linens are still fresh and smelling good. And as soon as the washer is ready, I switch the load and I go on with folding the stuff from the previous day. And it appeared to be the very good decision because the Saturday decided to be hot and busy, so I will come back to my laundry only the next day. now. Haha. Now I'm taking out of the dryer the bedding from the previous day. Does it often happens to you guys? Let me know in the comments below if your laundry also stays overnight in your dryer sometimes. And here comes my tip of the day, guys. For such overnight dry cycle, in case if the stuff gets wrinkled, I like to start it again just for another 10 minutes. The clothes get warm up and it will be very easy to do folding, nice and simple. But if my load gets over dried and very much wrinkled, I have to start it again to use the refresh function, and it works as a steamer, and this way it helps me to avoid ironing. But if your dryer does not have such a feature, just drop a wet bath towel with your dry stuff and run it again. This works magic, I promise. And now it's surprise time for me, loves. My hubby brought me a new vacuum cleaner, which was very relevant for me as I struggled with lots of sand in our house during the summer times. And because I needed to provide the new tool a good home, I'm organizing right now this area. And because this is still our laundry room where I keep my cleaning stuff downstairs, and my laundry day is ongoing and washer is running, I decided to add this moment into this video, and I hope guys that you enjoy this. I should say this organization did not took me a long time, so I will still come back to my laundry and folding, so stay tuned. And here I am sharing with you how it looks right now, and I am more than happy and ready to go on with my folding. By this time, another portion is ready after the dryer, and I go on with those little t-shirts, pants and panties, folding and putting away to be ready to start over again tomorrow, which will be Monday, and I will try to do my best and enjoy the whole process again. And I hope, guys, that you also enjoyed my laundry weekend video and hopefully managed to do something with me. And even if not, it is also a very good result, because we all need to take a break sometimes to get energy for the next time, to achieve more and create something awesome. Please check this video on the left to get even more motivation if needed. Consider subscribing if you have not done yet. Give me a thumbs up and please stay safe. I will talk to you again next week. Bye bye.